how to buy Yeezy coin token. So this token came under the symbol of YZY. Now, before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money, rewards, and crypto. With the best referral code, simply as it goes below. Find your account, enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now, as you can see, this token is available on the screener. It created just 1 hour ago and increased by 200,000% in the last 24 hours. The liquidity here unlocked by 100%. That's mean your investment in the safe place. As you can see, this token trending number 3 on Solana section. To be able to buy this token, it's easy and simple. Just copy the token address from here, as you can see, and open a front wallet for that. Now log into your wallet first. So after that, what you need to do, click on swap here and make sure that you have enough Solana in your wallet. Now click here and place the token on this. So as you can see, this is our token. Click on it and here type how much you want to buy. So here, as you can see, you'll be able to see how much you receive. Now after that, select provider, for example, Jupiter, and make sure to read all of that information here. Click here on swap, and after that, you will be able to redirect to the Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. Now, if you face an issue, go back to this page and switch the slippage, as you can see from here, or custom it, because most of the issues came from the slippage. And after that, you can be able to buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy a YZY token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.